If you are looking forward to learn how to prepare vegetable stew at home, and then this video is for you. But if you already know how to prepare vegetable stew, then drop me your own recipe in the comment section. So I will start by cooking my meat, and I'm also going to be using dry fish for this, so I'll be adding it together with my meat, and I'm going to stir them together properly. Then that's set aside. I'll go in with my groundnut oil into my pot, go in with my onions, and I'll start stirring properly. After that, I'll go in with my fresh tomato. Of course, I will also be using sachet tomato, but before then I'll wait for this tomato to dry up. And yes, this is the mixture, because the tomato has dried up and I also added fresh tomato to it. So I'll go in with my onion and my fresh pepper and make sure I stir thoroughly. So this is my meat, fish and stock. As I pour it out in a bowl, I'll go in with it inside the tomato that is already cooking, and I'll make sure I stir together. So that the taste will come out very well. Then after that, I'll go in with my vegetable. Of course, this is the most important ingredient used for the soup. And yes, I'll stir properly for everything to mix. Like guys, this is very simple. It's so simple to prepare. So I'll go in with my seasonings. And what mixture are you seeing? Drop your recipe in the comment section and subscribe for more.